Welcome to this AquaTru assistance video on descaling your AquaTru countertop purifier. You know it's time to descale AquaTru if it takes more than 30 minutes to filter a gallon of tap water. Normally, it should only take 10 to 15 minutes. It is essential you descale your AquaTru when this happens, or you will damage AquaTru and its filters. Descaling your machine will take about 30 to 45 minutes, so make sure you have enough time before you begin. To avoid frequent descaling of your AquaTru, it is essential that you always empty out the remaining wastewater in the tap tank before refilling. AquaTru works by recirculating the water many times. As a result, the water left in the tap tank contains highly concentrated contaminants. If this water is not discarded, the unit will develop scaling much faster and will require more frequent descaling. Here's what you need to get started. If your filtering time remains at 30 minutes or more after completing this descaling process, you will also need to replace your RO filter. Before starting, make sure that the tap tank is clean and free of any hard water deposits and your unit is on. Sometimes mineral buildup can prevent the valves from properly closing when you remove the tap water tank from the base, causing the tank to leak. If mineral deposits are present, fill the tank with a solution of warm water and 1 packet of AquaTru descaling powder. The solution will help dissolve the mineral deposits, making it easier for you to wipe clean with a soft sponge and soapy water. Start by removing the filter cover. Wait 60 seconds for the filters to depressurize, then pivot the filter out and remove each filter by turning counterclockwise. Install the AquaTru descaling filters by twisting them in clockwise so the red arrows align. Slide the cover back on. Heat the purified water to around 100 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, similar temperature to hot water from the tap. Fill the tap water tank to about 1/2 inch below the handle. Make sure the water is not hotter than 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, add 2 packets of AquaTru's descaling powder. Stir for 30 seconds to fully dissolve in the water. Place the tap water tank on the AquaTru base and let it start filtering. After about 5 minutes of filtering, turn off the power and let it sit and soak for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes are up, turn your AquaTru back on and let it complete the filtration process of the descaling solution. Once the filtration stops and you see a full blue circle on the display panel, pour all the water from the clean water tank into the tap water tank and allow AquaTru to filter the descaling solution through the system one more time. Once filtering is complete, discard the water from both tanks and run 2 more full tanks of tap water through the system, discarding the water from both tanks after each cycle. Make sure to clean both AquaTru tanks with soapy water before filling with tap water and setting on the base to use again. And remove each filter by turning counterclockwise. Reinstall your filters by placing it into the base and turning it clockwise. Slide the cover back on. Your AquaTru is now revitalized and ready to be used. You should notice that your filtering time is now less than 20 minutes. If the filtering time has not been reduced, you should also replace your RO filter. If you have any questions, please contact our customer support team.